dolls, it's your girl StylezByTaj with a Z baby, and welcome to my Philly Chateau. This is my empty apartment tour. Please watch, enjoy, and yeah, let's get into it. Right when you walk into my apartment, I have two closets. One is a coat closet, and the other is my laundry. The apartment has these beautiful high ceilings with plenty of recessed lighting, and this bathroom, I feel like a big girl. Like, I feel like a grown woman. Like, it's so beautiful. I love the fact that the cabinets actually have drawers that open. And the shower, moment of silence. So nice. It's so high end. It gives a resort vacation style, very spa. Y'all know I'm gonna have it looking so fly once I finish my decor, but I absolutely am obsessed with this bathroom. It's so spacious, and everything in this apartment is brand new because the building is brand new, so I am the first to use everything. And I absolutely love that. These mirrors, my makeup, the amount of content I'm about to film, y'all gonna be sick of me. You hear me? Right off the bathroom is my bedroom, so it's nice and small and intimate. It'll be great just with my bed, my nightstands, just an intimate vibe. It's not too big and overwhelming, but baby, the star of the show. Look at my closet. Do y'all see this closet? It is like a second bedroom. Like, excuse me? And I'm gonna add more shelving. I'm about to quit playing. Listen, y'all know I got furs and sequins and shit. It's about to be a girl's dream closet in this place. Like, it's huge. It's literally a second bedroom it's huge. I'm trying to get the angle so that y'all can see how big it is, but it's huge, and I'm obsessed. Okay. Yes, closet. Come on, grown woman. Period. So right out of the closet, right out of the bathroom, out of the bedroom, they have the plugs for the TVs. Come on, Philly. You see it. So you guys know I love windows. Yes, they have the dimmable lighting so it can get real sexy. The kitchen is the perfect size because it's just me here. It's not like I have children or a man yet. But I love cooking, and this kitchen with this beautiful backsplash and the gold accents and these cabinets with the windows. Like, that's grown woman. The cabinets with the windows, you gotta have your plates and your cups and glasses in order, okay? Everything is soft close, and they have the gold accents. Like, this apartment literally was designed for me. Like, I don't care what nobody say. It has my name on it, and it got the built-in. Quit. This is so grown woman. I love the industrial feel with the piping and this window. Yo, this window gives me so much. Like, I literally cried when I saw this window in person. The original tour that I did was for another unit, and that unit actually wasn't available once I decided to apply for my apartment. So I applied for this apartment and was approved for this apartment sight unseen. So you guys are literally watching me see this apartment for the first time, and it's so much more than I expected that it would be. I'm trying not to get emotional, but it's incredible. Like, God is amazing. I was not expecting this apartment to be this nice. It exceeded all of my expectations. I feel so blessed and just, I'm so overwhelmed with gratitude, and I don't even know what to say. God is so good. God is so good. Ugh. It was literally designed for me. Like everything that I've wanted in an apartment, it has. Like what? Yeah, the windows. The windows literally cover my whole entire living room. You guys can't see how huge these windows are, but it's literally a wall of windows, and I see the entire Center City. That in front of you is the famous Met Theater. Like, oh my God, it's snowing. I can't wait to cook in this kitchen. Like, I was so concerned that my furniture in my apartment in the Bay Area wouldn't fit in an apartment on the East Coast, because, you know, they're usually smaller, but this apartment, my furniture, my big 85-inch TV, my fireplace, everything is going to fit so perfectly. Like, this is just an amazing experience. It's been an amazing journey so far, and I just feel so fortunate, you guys. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to share more. I'm going to try to get as much content out as I can. Let me know what you want, what y'all want to see. Outside of, like, the furnishing apartment, unpacking, and all of those things you're definitely going to get. But also, what do you want to see? Like, what parts of me would you like for me to share? And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I've gotten so many great responses so far from the videos I've posted, and just with my journey in general. I love you guys. I hope this is inspiring you to step out on faith. I hope this is inspiring you to trust God. I hope this is inspiring you that anything you want is already yours. You just got to step out on faith, and don't let fear or doubt, negativity, anything stand in the way of you getting what you want. All you have to do is trust God, put it in His hands, do the hard work, and watch and see just how much He'll bless you. I promise you. I promise you, I am a living, literal testimony. In Jesus' name. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up? I'm Taj. I am a celebrity hair and makeup artist. I'm a mama bear at heart, and I love on everybody. Jamie, I'm so proud of you. Period. But I'm also very take no. Bitch, we in this together. StylezByTaj don't work for free. What is you throwing me into? Now you in trouble.